this is just a quick introduction or review of the online IMSS journal. Instead of having a physical journal to carry around, this is the one-stop shop for where parents and students can log in. So when you come, you just have to click on login. As parent, I'm going to click on parents. So those are my details. I have set up a fake student profile for one of our classroom music teachers. Fine, not student, regular teacher, you. Now, each of you as the parents I will have inserted an email address which I have found on Connect, one of the parent email addresses, so you'll just have to remember which email addresses you might have given to your school and try that. I can't guarantee that I put every email address that you've given to the school in, but I've put at least one in. If this is your first time logging in, the default password is xylophone2022. So it's xylophone with an uppercase X, YLOPHONE 2022, and then you log in. You'll be prompted to reset your password. I'm just going to set this to trumpet123, and I'll let this parent know what to reset it to. Now I update the password, and I'm not going to do that. What you'll see here is that if you have more than one child, you can choose which child of yours you'll be seeing. And what changes is that you'll see that down here, the future lessons and times change depending upon which child you see. So Jane has lessons at 8:20 each week, and John has lessons at 8:50, and John has lessons at 9:20 every week. What's not shown here right now will be comments, because no comments have been entered, or set work. So these sections will be populated by the teacher and by yourselves over here for comments and weekly practice goals. Comments are usually from me for the individual students, but you have the opportunity to add some practice and comment up here. So if today John does 30 minutes of practice, let's make it 35, because he just goes above and beyond. Record practice. And now John's record of 35 minutes of practice for this date, this term, and this week will show up on my records as well as yours. And the students, as the parent, you can then add a comment here saying that John was doing really well at so-and-so or was having some trouble. So I hope that is helpful. This is all you need to see. My goal will be to update practice goals weekly and to give each student one bit of feedback every 5 weeks or so. So this will add some feedback and help target practice leading up to a report time. If you have any questions, please email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But thank you very much for listening.